bed alone. The morning rain closes up my window, and I can't see it at all. And even if I could, it'd all be great. Put your picture on my wall. It reminds me this is not so bad. It's not so bad. The tears gone cold, wondering why. I got out bed alone. The morning rain closes up my window, and I can't see it at all. And even if I could, it'd all be great. Put your picture on my wall. It reminds me that it's not so bad. It's not so bad.
Dear Slim, I wrote you but you're still in college. I left myself my teacher and my home phone and bottom. I sent you letters back in order. You must not have got them. The problem was a problem and the post office or something. Sometimes I script your letters to sloppy with a child. But anyways, fuck it was better than as a daughter. My girlfriend's better too. I'm about to be your father. If I have a daughter, that's what I'm gonna call her. I'm gonna name Bonnie. I read about your Uncle Ronnie too, I'm sorry. I had a friend who killed himself over something you didn't want him. I know you probably hear this every day, but I'm a biggest fan. I even got the underground shit you did was scam. I got a room for you to post us in your pictures, man. A lot of shit you did with robbers too, that shit was bad. Anyways, I hope you get this, man. Hit me back, just a chat. Totally yours, biggest fan, this is Sam.
I got out bed alone. The morning rain closes up my window, and I can't see it at all. And even if I could, it'd all be great. But your picture on my wall, it reminds me that it's not so bad. It's not so bad.
Here's Slim, you're still in corner road. I hope you have a chance. I ain't mad, I just to be fucked up, you don't answer fans. Maybe you didn't want to talk to me outside the concert. You didn't have to, but you could decide an autograph for man do. That's my little brother, man. He's only 6 years old. We waited listening cold for you for 4 hours and you just said no. Your friend is shitty, man. He likes his fucking idol. He wants to be just like you, man. He likes you more than I do. I ain't that mad, though, it's just a lie being lied to. Remember when we met in Denver? I said it right to you, right back. Seemed just like you in a way, and with no father neither. You used to always cheat on my mom and Peter. I can relate to what you're saying in songs. So when I have a shitty day, I trip away to put them on, cause I don't really got shit else. So that's house, one in the breath. I even got a tattoo with your name across the chest. Sometimes even cut myself to see how much it beats. It's like adrenaline. The pain is sudden rush for me. See, everything you say is real, and I respect you to tell it. My girlfriend Chad is gonna talk about you 24/7, but she don't know like you when you slip. No one does. She don't know what it was like for people like us growing up. You gotta call me, man. I'll be the biggest fan you'll ever lose. You city yours, stand big test. We should be together too.
Tears gone cold, I'm wondering why. I got out bed alone. The morning rain closes up my window, and I